Alright, here we go. Unboxing. Got something new in the mail from, I think this is from Vistaprint. And I'm going to start unwrapping it now. Okay, let's get out of here. Some nice air packs there. More air packs. More air packs. I've got 2 small boxes. We'll wait to open those for a little bit here. And then they've got one cool thing in here. So let's see what this does. Any guesses on what this is yet? I have to open it up and show you. Alright, here we go. Got myself a nice new Meller marketing mouse pad. Now the other one has gotten some really good use. Let's see if we can compare and contrast. This is my old one. Looks like I got some handprints and stuff over here. This is my new one. So it was definitely time to get a new one. You know, it was white and it got dirty. So rather than clean it, I got a brand spanking new one. Here we go. Alright, the other thing, I've always wanted to have one of these. And decided just to order an individual one because, you know, you'll see why in a second. That was exciting. It's like the first time I got the mouse pad. Look at this. Got myself a mug with my company name on it. That's a big deal. Very cool. And I decided you could put imprinting on both sides, so I decided to put social media pie on the other side as well. So depending on who I'm talking to on camera, I'll either have the social media pie showing to the camera or Meller marketing, maybe a little both. But wait, there's more. So this is Vistaprint. If you guys know it, check out what happens is they say, are you sure you don't want this? What about that? What about this? And they put the image on every known object to man to see if you want to do. And sometimes they'll say, hey, how about getting a second one or half off? And I said, sure, send me a second mug. So we'll see. Maybe my husband will get this, or maybe I'll use this as a giveaway, or maybe a prop on my bookshelf. I'm not sure. But that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. Have a great day.